When you want to write a program in a Java source code, you have to save a file in a .java file format. Java compiler converts your code into the bytecode. That bytecode doesn't run direct on device, then it is in JVM. JVM translate bytecode into machine code by using Interpretor or JIT Compiler. That bytecode is the platform independent. That bytecode is the platform independent. Java is the platform independent. We can compile once, run anywhere. We can compile once, run anywhere. Let's break down the song together. I will explain how Java code executes internally. First of all, we write a Java code and it is also known as a source code. And we have to save that file it in a .java extension. And this source code is in a human readable text. So computer does not understand human readable language. That's why we need compiler here. Compiler is nothing but just a software program that's come along with the JDK installation. And compiler is the responsible for converting our source code into the bytecode. If we see in other languages like C++, compiler will convert source code directly into the machine code and computer will execute it. But in a Java compiler will convert source code into the bytecode instead of machine code. But this bytecode does not run directly in our system. We need a JVM to run. JVM is the engine where our bytecode executes. The bytecode is a platform independent because it can run on any OS. We can run on Windows, Mac, Linux. That's why Java is also known as a platform independent, right? And we can find JVM after the installation of JDK. We will see the architecture of Java, JDK, JRE, JVM in our other videos. For now, just remember that we need a JVM to run our bytecode. After conversion of the source code into the bytecode, and it will store in a .class file, JVM will load that class file into the memory and checks the bytecode for the verification and for the security issues. That's why Java is also known as a secure language because of that bytecode verification. JVM is also responsible for the memory management, to whom how much memory should be allocated. It is decided by the JVM. JVM uses a two execution engine to execute a bytecode. One is an interpreter and another one is a JIT compiler. In interpreter, JVM reads line by line code and translate into machine code and execute them. But in a JIT compiler, if there are frequently used bytecode, frequently used methods are available, then it will convert directly into the machine code for the fast performance. After execution, our program shows the result in the screen. JVM is also responsible for the garbage collecting the unused object and it will reclaim the memory. Let's do one practical example. I will do this coding in the Notepad++. Instead of using the IntelliJ or Eclipse, I will show you how to run through the command. Okay. This is one Java class. You are seeing the keyword public class, right? And this is a name of the class name. It's a file name. And we will see detailedly in the object oriented class when we are reading what is class, what is object. At that time we will read detailedly. For now, just remember that this is a Java class or a source code where we are just commanding the computer to print. This is the first Java song history to the console. This will print what is inside. We command to print, right? For now, we command computer to print this this sentence. Let's do how it is gonna work. This is human readable form, right? This is called the source code. Then we need to save this file in a what? .java file extension. So we will put the name of the class java song .java, right? .java. Yes. Okay. Now save it. Save it. Yes. Now go to the command of that directory. Let's go. Then computer will not understand this human readable language, so we need compiler, right? So we need to convert source code into the bytecode with the help of command. We have a javac compiler here. We will write a javac and file name. What is the file name? javasong.java. Then it compiler will convert source code into the bytecode and store it in a .class file. See here, if we see in a directory, there is one .java file that we have created, and another one is a javasong.class. This contains the bytecode. It's a set of instruction, right? And this is platform independent. It can run on any machine. Like we can run on this in the Windows. Like the same .class file can be run on the Linux or in a Mac, so that the bytecode is a platform independent. That's why we can say that the Java is also platform independent. After compiling the source code, we can run this .class file simply by the command java and the file name java song, right? See, this is the first Java song in history. This has print the output for us in the console, right? For this video, this much only. I will bring another song with another explanation about the Java concept. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment or like. You can comment if you want any topic to cover in our next session.